Good morning students. Today will be exercise 14.6 and draw the angle of 45 and bisect. So that is first you draw an angle of 90, then bisect to come to 45. Now for bisect of 45, each angle is 22.5. Okay, so now first will be draw a line of PQ. Here P and this Q and O point on the line is O. Okay, and use the by the compass of center of O or any radius, convention radius, you have draw a full semicircle. Okay, and the point of A and the point of B. Okay, now next will be find the 90 angle. So this is the second method. Is you measure of the length of AB, and more than half and less than AB radius and first arc, and same radius to second arc, and joined this line intersect point. It is the angle of D. So this point is D because angle on this arc, this is the arc is kind of angles. Now next will be this angle of 90 and bisect of angle 90 is come to 45. So now 2 points A and D. A is a 0 and D is a 90 angle. So that bisect. Now first will be okay. Now this is the angle of 45. Okay, you measure is angle of 45. Okay, the measure the angle of 45 is complete. Now next is bisect. So then again this is the point of 45. Okay, so first arc here, first center, and second is angle of point A. This first is a 45, second is a point A. Now intersect point will be match to point O. Name is G. Here point is E. That this is the angle of 22.5. Okay, then I write the step. First will be draw a line PQ and take a point O on it. Second point, the 2 points A and B. Now we taking O as center and a convention radius. Okay, and draw a arc, an arc which intersect PQ at 2 point, first point A and second point B. Okay, the arc, the intersect point and AB. Now third point you taking point of A is a center. Now taking A and B as centers and radius is more than half of AB. and draw two arc. It first will be then one arc, then B2 second arc, two arcs which intersect each. This is the point of each is C. Intersect each other at C. Fourth point, join OC. Okay, then angle of COQ, CO and Q is equal to 90 degree. Now fifth, now draw OE as the bisect of angle COQ. Thus angle of QOE is 45 degree. Now 6, again will OG as the bisect of angle EOQ. Now thus angle of GOQ is 22.5 degree. Now next question, draw angle of the measurement 135 and bisect. Then we previous question number 5 is one question is already done with angle of 135 in previous class. Okay, and same method will be draw. First make angle 135 according to question number 5. Okay, here will be only bisect. So that is the point is X and this point is 135. So first will be measure the length of A to Z and more than, less than, and draw first arc, and second point will be Q and make a arc and join the intersect point of, this is the point of suppose P. Okay, so that is the angle POQ is half of 135. Half of 135 means this is the bisect of 135 angle. Okay, number 8 is question number 8 is draw an angle of 70 and make the copy of is using only the straight edges and compass. Okay, straight edge and compass. So first will we draw an angle of 70. So first is angle of here Q is O. Okay, and 70 degree angles will be drawn by the protector. This is the 70. Okay, now point of 70 will be match. This is the angle of 70. This is the name of P. It's mean that POQ is 70. Okay, up next will be copy to straight line. That we first will we draw a straight line. Okay, in the point of this A and point of B. Okay, and use the compass and is any radius. Okay, First will be a center of O and draw a arc. Okay, now same radius will be on the point of OAA and draw a arc. Okay, second time you show, first will be of any radius, you draw a one arc on the point of O, the same radius, no any change the radius and point A and draw a arc. Okay, and after the cut the point is L and M. And second step, you find the distance for L and M by compass. Okay, and L to M. Okay, and same distance will draw here to point and intersect the previous arc. Okay, now join the arc, and this is the point of X, the Y. It's mean the angle of YAB is a equal to angle of POQ is equal to 70. Okay, now write the step. The first is draw a angle 70. Now with protector is angle of POQ is 70 degree. Second step is draw a ray of AB, this AB. Third step, place the compass at O and draw an arc to cut the ray of angle, this is the angle of POQ at L and M, 2 points. Okay, now fourth is using you use the same compass that setting to draw an arc with A as centers, that A cutting AB at X. First will be act. Okay, now is fifth point is set your compass setting to the length LM. Is this my L to M will be measured by the compass with the same radius, and then the 6 point is place the compass pointer at X and draw the arc and draw the arc to cut which point Y. Cut the arc drawn as leads at Y and seventh point to join AY, means angle of Y AX is equal to 70 degree. Question number 9. Draw an angle of 40 and copy its supplementary. So first will be that you supplementary angle. Now supplementary angles, the sum of, suppose angle A plus B is equal to 180. It's mean A is a supplementary angle of B and B is a supplementary angle of A, means the sum of two angles is 180, is first angle to supplementary angle of second and second supplementary angle of first. That is the first is given 40. So that is a point A plus 40 is equal to 180 and angle A is equal to 180 minus 40, means as a straight angle to subtract 40 they come is angle of 180 is equal to 140. It means you have make a linear a straight angle and minus 40 angles. Okay, so now first will we make an angle of 40. Angle of 40 make by the protector is the 10, 20, 20 and there is the 40. Okay, now you have point is 40 and then the name is O, is B and A. Okay, now start to first will be copy to supplementary angle, then we first will be draw a ray PQ and the point of M. Okay, and use the compass, the pointer of O, and mark a arc. Okay, and then give the name is L M, N is M. Okay, and same radius will be mark on this a full arc. Okay, this is the radius are same, no change the radius. Okay, and second process will be measure the distance for L to M. L to M is the distance will be measure. Okay, and their radius will be come out and the point of X. Okay, and intersect the point of radius. Their distance, the radius, first you find the distance by the compass. Okay, and mark the arc and join the arc and point M. The name is Y. It's mean there is 40 and total angle is 180. It's mean this is 180 minus 40 is equal to 140. Now we'll measure by the rule. Okay, now 40 and here is a 140. Okay, so now write the step. First will be make a, first is draw an angle of 40 degree with the help of protector, and then the angle of AOB is 40 degree. Okay, now second we have draw the PQ. Now draw a line PQ and take any point M on PQ. This is the point of M. Now third is now third is a first will be arc. Okay, now place of compass is at O and draw an arc to cut the rays of angle AOB at L and N. Okay, the two rays OA and OB, first arc will be intersect the cut L on N point. Now fourth point is use the compass, same compass. Okay, same compass setting to draw an arc O as center, cutting MQ a center M. There is the center and arc Q at X. Okay, and fifth point, now measure the distance for LM. So now set your compasses to length LN. Okay, LN with the same radius. 6 is now place, this is the place of X, place the compass at X and make a arc from Y and draw the arc drawn LE to Y and join the MY. Join MY. Eighth, that angle of YMP is equal to supplementary angle of YMX. YMQ.